Hey everybody, Carlos here from Forex Effects. Welcome back. Another forecast video, March 6, 2018. We're looking for a buy setup on the British pound, on the pound yen, euro yen, and the euro dollar standing outside on the British pound, Australian dollar, and dollar yen. So I'm starting with the Australian dollar. We got a buy setup 77.97, 77.69. Targeting 78.53, 78.82, 79.08. Pretty much everything is lined up to continue on a further move. Backed up by the recross of moving out with a nice angle. Although they never crossed below the 20, we're going to give it a shot based on the angle of attack of the movement. So make sure to tight your stop as the market moves along, because I expect a lot of resistance as we close by the transition point that they left behind in 78.53. All right, so pound dollar. We waited. I told you that I needed to see a break of the prior transition high there. They tested it, came back down. So this is a very good demonstration of how price action structure works. So no more trades until these guys pretty much close above those levels. Euro dollar, we're looking for a buy setup, and this was pretty much spectacular. People step formation, pretty much on 30-minute chart. This is how it looks. And the entry came actually a little bit earlier, depending on what you use, but I used this kind of an angle of attack right there. If I drop to 15-minute, it's probably easier to see. This was pretty much what we were looking for at this point, right there. So there was a pivot right in there, and that was a pretty much entry point. So the market reached the first target buy to take 62 out of a total of 70 plus. Pip nailed the trend, target minimum 1020 per day. And now we can clearly see here that the market is just hovering on a very important level at this point. We check the MACD and it's still going further up. So a potential of continuing on a buy mode, it's here. All right, a continuing buy on a pullback with a pivot stack confirmation at 23.63, targeting 23.63 to 23 even, targeting 24.33, 24.67, and 25.06. All right, so we have the Australian dollar, we got the dollar yen, unbiased market, never even gonna bother with it. Euro yen, we're looking for a buy setup. Here's how it looks. 15-minute chart, pretty decent move. Nailed the trend, target minimum 1020 per day. Total of about 90 plus pip one direction, 74 and 40 plus. And the market is just hesitating to continue at this point. If we go into the 4-hour chart, the strong conglomerate of a resistance with prior support is giving us a lot of headaches. A nice move and continuing to the upper side, but quite honestly, I'm not going to follow through with this, as I don't see a clear cut through above and beyond the 32.24 standing outside. In similar scenario, we'll go with a pound yen. Here's how it looks. There you go, pivot step formation. It looks something like so. Nice angle of attack in terms of the move. I mean, they burst through it of a potential about 110 to 115 or 20-ish pip move on the pound yen. Missed the target though for quite a bit, but that was a heck of a move, and nailed the trend target minimum 1020. Although it did not hit it, I'm not gonna complain. I mean, it's almost there, but the market just came a little bit unsettled at this point, so I don't feel quite comfortable with the continuation. Market is just battling against this support turning into resistance. So for this reason, that was a really good move. I'm standing outside until they break through it, and then I'll come back and look for further opportunities. So that's it for today. No trades on the pound yen, no trades on the euro yen, no trades on the dollar yen. Australian dollar buy setup. Euro dollar buy setup, and British pound pretty much unbiased market, no trades there. This is Carlos from Forex Effects, and I'll see you in the next work.